So folks, let us start this one. Let us start muna sa roll call, bawat department. So, partner, ito na sa wala natin yung first year. So, ano natin, kompleto naman yata talaga eh. So,
Kailangan partner. Lahat po ba is nasa kanina ng respective area? Mag-local po tayo.
palakasan na ng palakpak, bawat department.
Palakpak.
Oh yes, okay. So, partner, go na.
Go! Where's the Hotel and Restaurant Management first year?
Very bulong na.
Very energetic.
Parang ako, partner, Dracula. Alam mo, guys eh.
Very energetic.
Kanina ako nagtanong sa akin, bisa yung buloy. Sabi ko, mamaya, later na tayo mag-ibig. Okay. That is our first year department. I think we have Mr. Larry at the back. Mr. Larry, I don't know what's his surname. IT department.